Hey, this is Andrew Townsend, the Campaign Marketing Manager at eLearning Brothers. In this video, I'll show you how to utilize the Scene Direction feature in CenarioVR. This feature allows you to select the starting view of each scene as you enter it, and is adjustable from every entrance. This allows your users to have a more realistic experience. In this example, my viewer is entering an office space. The door is over here, so when they first walk in, they would be facing this direction. I can set this direction as the default scene direction by hovering over the scene tile and selecting the green Scene Direction button. This will allow me to move the scene and then select its starting location. Now my viewer will enter the kitchen area. We can do the same thing here. When they walk in, the door will be behind them, so we can set the scene direction like this. But now, when we go back into the front office, our viewer will be coming from the other direction. To edit the view when coming from the kitchen, I'll double-click on the hotspot in the kitchen. Once in the hotspot editor, I'll select Actions, and on the right side of the scene selection, I'll click the blue Scene Direction icon. This will allow me to select a scene direction that will override the default scene direction when coming from this hotspot. I'll go ahead and turn this to face away from the kitchen. And now let's take a look at how it feels when we view it. Now that you know how to set scene direction, you can create more accurate immersive experiences in CenarioVR. Give it a try and let us know how it goes in the eLearning Brothers Rockstars community. And if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out.